What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Another day wrapped up, another night for us to study and get prepared for tomorrow's game plan, which is Thursday. It's a lot of stuff going on tomorrow. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the market. And you already see it. We got the initial jobless claim on deck at 8:30, and then we got PPIs. We know what we not doing tomorrow. We are not FOMOing. We are not getting in the first candle that goes up, the first green candle, and we not getting in the first red candle that we see that goes down. We sitting back, we waiting for a clear direction, and then we gonna get on that thing. We gonna pounce on it. I got a lot of messages from a lot of newbies and beginners that's saying, hey, you always putting AMD out there. Amazon, these $200 tickers in the newbie and beginner sections. We need something that's affordable where we can put into and don't have to spend a whole bunch of money. And I went back and started looking at some of the tickers. You know what? You are absolutely right. Those are a little pricey. They got a little bit more volatility than these ones down here, unless they're moving. TSLL is going to be our first one up. They followed Tesla today. That's baby Tesla. So they had the moves. But I hear you. Don't say D Fresh don't care. I got you, and that's why I'm dropping this video for you guys tonight. I'm gonna throw a couple for you to nibble on and pay attention to. But before we do that, do me a favor. Go and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And I know you guys are out there watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love and support. I want to give some love to TKL. Hit me with a message today and said, D Fresh, I sure hope you are getting lots of subs on your YouTube channel. It has helped me so much. Thank you. My reply back is the same whenever I get this message. Hey, as long as it helps one person, mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. 100% free game. And guys, that's exactly what this is. If you tuning into the YouTube channel, that is 100% free game that I'm throwing out there. And man, I'm willing to say as high as 95% of my plays, if you followed the video and you jot the levels down and you played off of those levels the next day, they always end up revealing themselves and playing out. If Fresh said that, hey, if Tesla hits 210 and they start closing candles above 210, 215 is next, you can bet on it that 215 is coming next. Guys, I appreciate the love and support in a little bit of time that I've been doing this. And man, I'll always be honored to be able to put this kind of content out for you guys. As long as you guys are watching it and showing the love, I got you. I'm going to keep doing this. So I appreciate that, TKL. Appreciate it. That means a lot. So we're going to go ahead and check the announcement section. As you see, SPY calls are breaking hold up at 606.20. We already know what SPY did. They did 608.40. I told you SPY wasn't it as far as I was concerned, because that ride up was rocky. Premium burnt you all the way up, and I let you guys know that in the Discord as well. Tesla calls. Now, Tesla was where it was at. A break and hold up at 410.25. Boom! We went up to 424. We'll cover that later on in the video. Amazon calls a break and hold up at 227.20. Knocked that one out of the ballpark. That one ended up running up $4 play. Newbies beginners, RBLX calls a break and hold up at 58.80. They went all the way to 61 bucks. Shout out to you guys that was able to jump in these plays, execute, and dominate. Hey, I'm proud of you guys. You already know we knocking them out of the ballpark, and we're going to do it again tomorrow morning. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First ticker up for you newbies and beginners. We're going to do TSLL for you guys. Let's get it. They're sitting at 32.60. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than that level. You want to see them get to 32.95 and hold above that area. They can hold above that area. You got 33.10 on deck, 33.25. If you are a bear, you want to see this level right in here at 31.30 get taken out. They can take out 31.30. You got this stuff over here at 30.95. They break through that right there. You got this stuff over here at 30.55. Next level down is going to be 29.70. Pay attention to those levels right there. You start seeing those levels get taken out, you already know what to do. Next ticker up is going to be SoFi. Guys, I heard your requests. We throwing them out there. They're sitting at 15.95. If you are a bull, you want to see them get back to that 16 even level. They can break through that right there. You got 16.10, 16.25 on deck. If you are a bear, what you want to see is these bottoms right in here get taken out at 15.85. They can break through 15.85. You got the next bottoms right here at 15.75. These move in like 10-cent increments, but you got 15.65 on deck. Once you start seeing all those levels coming down right there, you already know they're trying to come all the way back down to this stuff up in here. They lose this level at 15.50. They trying to push this thing back down to 15.15. Expect the bulls to pounce at that level right there, because if they lose that level right there, they coming down much lower. There you go in SoFi. Next ticker up is going to be HOOD. They're sitting at 38.15. If you are a bull, what you want to see, you want to see 38.40 get taken out. They can take out 38.40. They're going to try to run this thing up. You got this level right here at 39.05. They break through 39.05. They're going to slowly start to try to climb this ladder. It's going to be some turbulence up in here. Let's say you got turbulence after you pass 39.35. They got turbulence, but if they can break through that turbulence right there, they're going to run this thing up to 40.50. That's going to be a heavy level. Expect the bulls to smack that thing right back down. Expect them to make some noise right there. On the downside, if you are a bear, you want to see this level right here get taken out, 37.95. If they can break through there, you got these bottoms right down here at 37.80. They break through that, they're trying to get back down to this level at 37.20. That's going to be another heavy level where once they hit that, the bull's going to try to smack it back up. And if they are unsuccessful, we coming back down. Guys, I'm going to throw one extra in there. I know I only throw 3 in there for the newbies and beginners, but since you guys are asking for it, I'm going to throw one more in there. It's going to be ticker symbol INTC. Guys, well, you know we hit home runs with this one a couple months ago, but this one is sitting at 20.05. If you are a bull, what you want to see, you want to see this stuff up in here get taken out at 20.25. They can break through that. They're going to start trying to climb this ladder back up. You want to see this stuff right here at 20.50 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to try to run this thing all the way up to 20.75. If you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here at 19.95 get taken out. They can take out that. You got this heavy level at 19.85. They break through that. They're going to try to pull this thing much lower. But again, at these heavy levels, guys, expect the opposite team to make some noise at those areas right there, because they know if they lose that area, if they give in to the bulls or the bears at that particular area, if you going up, if the bulls lose that area right there, or if they break through that area, they're going to continue to run. If you going down and bears break through that heavy level right here, they coming down even lower. That's how you look at those plays. Newbies, beginners, that's 3 plays for you guys to pay attention to. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? First play out of the gate, we gonna do SPY. SPY was boring. I didn't like the price action in SPY, and I put that out there in the Discord as well. Guys, we called this play to the upside. We called this play back to the downside. I told you guys, if you guys look at the chat, I put in there, I said, I think it was 607.95 to 608.40. The bulls need to get in that area right there. That's going to be turbulence. No calls until we get past 608.40. You want to see them hit 608.40, get smacked back down and come back and retest that area. And then we jump at it, not before that. And I put it out there. I said, this is premium burn. I know this is what's going to happen. And as you see, they ran that thing all the way to 608.40. And what happened? Boom, they ran that thing all the way back down to 607.50. They got smacked right there. What do you think that does when you bought calls right here and you didn't sell? You getting chopped up, you getting premium burn, and you watching your contracts decay and lose money. Guys, and on the way back up, I told you, I don't want to see calls until we can break over and hold past 608.10. And as you see, man, I'm throwing darts at these areas. We went all the way back to where 608.10 right here in this area right here, and we got smacked right back down. They was unable to break that thing, and they came all the way back down. And I even told you guys what Bears was trying to do. I said I don't like this price action because Bears look like they trying to test that level at 607.50 and come down even lower. And as you see, that's exactly what these guys did. They came down to that level and they got smacked and they kept going. Right here, SPY. I don't like this price action right before power hour. Bears are trying to pull this thing down. Bulls need to get back above 608.10. Bears want to break down at 607.50. Opens the door for 607.20 and 606.80. Guys, we already at 607 even as we speak right now. And there's another one in Tesla. I told you guys to hold on to your seat. Boom. I called this play. Tesla is on a warpath. They crushing the Bears. Totally puts 420 on the table. Don't be greedy though. Trim and eat profits. When you see Tiger throwing that hat down, you already know we out here grinding. We making money. We out here knocking them out of the ballpark. There you go in that one right there. Told you guys, calls wasn't it in SPY. So guys, when I'm putting that out there and I'm telling you guys, I wouldn't buy that direction right there. Don't buy it. I'm not going to put something out there for you guys to not do because I don't want to make you money or I don't want you guys to make money. I want you to make money, but you can't be diving into plays blind or reckless thinking that it's going to pop up and all the systems, all the fundamentals are saying we coming back the other way. I'm out here grinding for you guys. I'm trying to protect your capitals. Let's get back to the SPY and call these levels. Simple on the upside. SPY got to get back to 608.40 and break through that. If they can break through that, they're going to start running back up. They a long way off right now. They sitting at 607. If you are a bull, you want to see this middle piece, 607.55 get taken out. Then you want to see this middle piece, 607.95. And then they got 608.40. On the downside, you want to see this stuff right here, 606.80 get taken out. They can take out that. You got 606.35 and so forth. 605.10 will handle SPY in real time because the data that's coming out can affect this craziness. And that's what I said, guys. If you're watching the video, the only thing that will mess up these levels that I put out right here will be we get Fed Powell on deck, a jobs report, CPI, PPI. But then those plays still end up coming back to where my levels are at. Just pay attention to those. Last but not least, guys, I got a different ticker I'm going to put out because I was paying attention to this one. This one got some potential to pop. And I'm telling you, it has a potential to pop. Money to be made in this ticker right here. They're sitting at 411.65. As you see, they started way out here at 385.60 and they boom this thing. We sitting at 414. Guys, this one has the potential to put some jets on the back of it and boom. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 14 even get taken out. They can take out 14 even. Next level up is going to be 416.20. Next level after that, boom, we come into 426.10. Guys, that level is what I want you to pay attention to. Might be some turbulence in the middle of all this stuff right here. After 416, you might get some turbulence in there. It's going to be a fight to get to this level, but this is the level that I want you to pay attention to. 426.20. If they can break through that level right there, boom, we got 440.20. So this may not happen tomorrow, may not happen next week. Put these levels on your chart somewhere. 440.20. Bulls are trying to get to that level in this ticker right here. There you go with that on the upside, on the downside, because we play both sides. You want to see 410.05 get taken out. They can take out that. Next level down is going to be 407.65. They break through that. You got this bottom piece at 405.30. Next level down is 402. But guys, we play what we see. We set that stop loss and we respect that stop loss. Once those plays get taken out, then we know how to pivot from there. Just these are several different plays that I gave you to pay attention to put on your radar for tomorrow. I'll make sure I add this to my announcement section tomorrow. It'll be in this section right here. Guys that's watching this video, if you're not part of my Discord, make sure you get in there. That way you got access to my full range of call outs in the morning session, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on what the plays are trying to do, whether it's going up or down throughout the session. Hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.